Hazrat Anas bin Malik radiyallahu anhu states, on the day of the battle of Hunain, the Hawazin, Ghatfan, and other tribes, along with their kids and quadrupeds, confronted Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. That day, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam was accompanied with 10,000 people, combatants, including Tawlaqa, neophytes, but they all turned their backs and fled away, leaving him alone. That day, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam made two calls without interposing anything between them. Hazrat Anas radiyallahu anhu says, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam looked towards the right side and said, O the group of helpers. They submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, we are present. Be pleased, we are with you. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then looked towards the left side and said, O the group of helpers. They submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, we are present. Congratulations, we are with you. Hazrat Anas radiyallahu anhu says that he sallallahu alaihi wasallam was riding on a white mule. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam dismounted and said, I am the bondsman of Allah Jalla Jalaluhu and his apostle. The polytheists faced defeat, and Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam procured a lot of booty. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam apportioned the booty among the immigrants and the neophytes without affording anything to the helpers. The helpers whereupon said, when there is a tough time, we are summoned, but while distributing booty, the other people are called. When this news reached Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam assembled them in a tent and said, O the group of helpers, what type of a statement is that reached me from you? They remained silent. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam thereupon said, O the group of helpers, aren't you pleased with it, that the other people may take away the world, whereas you may take Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam to your houses? They submitted, why not, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, we are pleased. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, if the other people tread on a path and the helpers walk through a path, I will walk through the helpers' path. Hisham said to Hazrat Anas radiyallahu anhu, O Abu Hamza, were you present there on that occasion? Hazrat Anas radiyallahu anhu replied, when would I remain absent from his company? Sahih Muslim Hadees number 2438.